It is Saturday, September the 14th, 2024, about 12:14 in the afternoon. We are in Jonesborough, Tennessee, and this is where I decided to start my video. Look at this place and how grand that it is. Just a private residence. I'm going to take you over and show you the door, and you'll be able to see that up close. That's about all you'll see, in fact. And we'll get it from there, and then I'll show you some more stuff. All right, this is the stairs. I'm going to raise you up so you can see that front door up there, okay? Here you go. All right, hope you enjoyed that view from up there. All right, so here's a little bit more of the same house. You see the garage that's over here, right there and right there. Very nice wooden doors. So, very good looking place. Whoever owns it, I don't know, but it is nice. I do like it. So this starts our journey into Jonesborough. So we're going to start working our way downtown, and I'll be showing you different things, okay? Let's go. This is Academy Hill, established 1926 according to that sign. This is not an entrance. The entrance is in the rear. Look at the front of that. Isn't that grand? I'm going to lift you up and give you a little bit more of a straight on view, so hang on here. Okay, I hope that turned out to be a very good view for you. So that's the second place we're going to shoot. Now we're going to head back down towards downtown. Let's hit it. Alright, so here's the next house I wanted to bring you here. I think that one is gorgeous as well. Nice porch, nice balcony, and look at that third level window up there at dormer. Got a widow's walk at the very, very top. So I like this one too. And right catty corner from it, that's a Methodist church over there. Don't agree with anything they teach whatsoever, but there it is. It's nice columns, nice steeple, and we'll see we got brick sidewalk to walk on. So we'll keep walking. Okay, so as far as our downtown journey of Jonesborough, this is where it's going to start. I can't even read that sign from here, honestly, but it's a bed and breakfast, I can tell you that. But very old building, but you know, this is a historic town, so we should start with that, and I like the yellow on it. So let's keep looking. This here is Eureka Inn, and you can see that's a really nice building. Got those 3 dormers up the top of it. It's on Main Street and First, maybe that is. But that's a good looking place. And then I want you to look at this place here, right across the street from it. So that's a good looking place, white and yellow. Got pretty flowers. I see there's even a sign here. Here you go. Here, this is the May Dishner House. It's been placed on National Register of Historic Places. So there's a little bit of a shot of it. Very nice, huh? I like that. So finish off again. That's where we started. You can see the Jackson Theater over there. So I know they recently reopened that. And then across the street from the Jackson Theater is over here. Got a bit of a construction zone going on, but look at this. This is a Presbyterian church, Jonesborough Presbyterian Church, USA. Welcome Sunday School, 945. Blah, blah, blah. But here, this is as close as I can get, and that hopefully I believe is getting the whole thing. You can see that window up there is out. That's all plastic, but I do like the columns, and of course all the white in the brick just really sets it off. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so here is a very historic cabin. You can see the roof got a little bit of a sway to it, but it's a 2-story, so I'm sure in its day that it was extremely nice. It's got a number 8 on it. So this is the Christopher Taylor House, according to this sign. About a mile southwest of this location. This log house was built in 1777 by the officer who was a veteran of the French and Indian War and a major in the American Revolutionary War. He is buried in the family cemetery nearby. And if Jackson lived here in 88 and 89 while practicing law in Jonesborough, the house was moved intact to this site in 1974 to preserve it from demolition. So there you go. So it's in its original location, but there you go. Not too shabby, huh? And we'll see this, you can see the stone fireplace chimney right there a lot better, I believe. Over here we have the Chester Inn, built in 1797 by Dr. William P. Chester of Lancaster, Pennsylvania. It's been continuously occupied as an inn, a hotel, and an apartment house. Among the guests here have been 3 presidents of the United States: Andrew Jackson, James K. Polk, and Andrew Johnson, as well as John Sevier, Governor Franklin, and first Governor of Tennessee. President Andrew Jackson held a reception for his friends on the porch of the inn in the summer of 1832. Wow. Alright, so you can see some of it here. And since this is an inn, I don't feel bad about going up the stairs. Walking you across it. Do not sit or stand on the railing. Okay? Well, I won't. See some of the doors here and the windows. And look, that's the wavy glass. So that's the original glass. Hopefully it's coming through in this video. Walkers. Here's looking across the street. First National Bank. And back down. So there we go. And what do we run into? But more beauty. Here is the Mary B. Martin Storytelling Hall. So look at that. Got a gift shop over there. Very nice settings. Jimmy Neal Smith Park is back there. Maybe we'll check that out. Alright, this is the Washington County Courthouse. Hope that doesn't get too blinded out in this video. But that's a good looking building. It's got really nice columns. Up there, we got some of it. I'm in the shade now. Now we're heading back to sun. Beautiful building. I like it. Here, right across the street, we'll just show some of these businesses here. And just look right on down the street and see. So we're almost towards the end of town, it looks like, but we'll keep looking. Okay, it's sunny here, but I like the windows on that building. I hope they're coming through. On both of them, it's pretty nice. But I like these on the left specifically. Just wanted to show those to you. This is the lollipop shop. Look at how bright color. Very good looking building. You're the kid, we're the candy store. And look at Yoda here. He'll give you a kiss for $1. So I'm not sure it's worth it though. Might be overpriced. But I like to say, you're the kid, we're the candy store. Nice little garden in this place. Great big building there. Across the street is this First Baptist Church. Great big steeple. Don't agree with anything they teach either, but it's a nice building. Like the columns on it and that big steeple. So let me see. I think there's a few more things I want to add to this video, so stick around.